Guys, back to another video. Today we're going to be putting on my hardtop spoiler. I did do another fresh coat of paint. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm not really looking for perfection. The reason it's a little dull right now is because I just cut it. We're going to throw some wax on it, and then we're going to throw it on the car. So I'm going to wax it real quick. I'll be back with you guys. Forgot to be mentioning, guys, I used Meguiar's Pro Speed Compound. I'm not a great detailer. I'm just going to use some Jet Seal on top. I use Griot's pads on my Cobalt buffer. They work pretty good. Jet Seal works pretty good too. I definitely feel like I'm more of a Griot's guy now. Chemical Guys isn't really doing it for me anymore. That should be enough for the wing. But I'm going to throw that on and see how it looks. So that looks pretty good, guys. Jet Seal really does give it a great shine. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to lightly flip this over. And we're going to line this inner groove with double-sided tape. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take a little scuff pad. This one's a little dirty, but get the idea. I'm going to just real lightly scuff in here. Real light. Just so the double-sided tape has something extra to stick to. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, guys, you can see there's just a little bit of blue on it because I didn't even take the paint off. I just scuffed it up. That way the double-sided tape just has something a little extra to stick to. I've already had this wing fly off once on me, so I don't really want it to happen again. Next, I'm going to take my wax and tar remover, wipe where I just sanded it. I'm also going to wipe it on the seal here, because the seal is where the hardtop paint goes, or the hardtop wing goes. So we're just going to wipe that down too. That way it has something a little extra to stick to. This is like, I wish I had a adhesion promoter, but this should work. So let's try it out, guys. I like to give that stuff some time to dry. I also got it on the hardtop already. I like to do this. See, it looks good. I like to do that just so the double-sided tape is a little bit better. I'm going to let everything dry on the car and this, and I'm going to start laying some double-sided tape on that. Not going to show you guys because it isn't an easy process, but I'll show you guys the finished product. So I got it on there. I'm a little uncertain about this double-sided tape, I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's pretty good. This is stuff you use for like building like refrigerator units on tractor trailers. So it's a little overpowered for this, but I'm hoping it works. I'm going to do the trick where you like do that. That way you can pull it off once it's on the car. I did it there already. You really should try to do it in one solid piece. I can't though. So this will work just fine. So I'm going to do this, throw it on the car. Drop my light. It's on, guys. And I got to say, I don't know how the paint match is. I don't think to the top to the wing is good, but the wing to the body seems much better. I don't know. Dumb idea to wax it before putting it on. That was my fault. This tape doesn't stick as well, but thankfully the bottom I didn't wax. So I have it taped on. It looks pretty good. I don't know. This wing is a little weird. I don't know if it's just because the car's a little dirty and it's like throwing it off, and of course the tape isn't helping. It's definitely on there. You could definitely tell the paint match on camera. It is not great, but if you look from here to here, it's so much better. So I'm definitely redoing the hardtop soon. I'm definitely going to use that type of can instead of the one I used on the hardtop. Doesn't look great, but hey, it's good enough for now. It's not really a big deal. This is a driver's car. I just wanted that for looks, and I guess a little bit of aero would give me. But overall, you know, the gap's pretty good. I would try to get some good automotive yellow scotch or painter's tape like this. It really helps for stuff like this. And if your hardtop paint isn't great, mine's pretty good, so it's not a big deal, but make sure this doesn't rip off the clear coat. It could happen. It's rare, but it could. The bottom, it looks good. So, I know this is a little short video, but it was basically me just telling you guys how to put your hardtop wing on. I needed another upload for today so I could do the 2 videos a week. So there'll be 2 Sunday uploads at least. I hope you guys enjoy that. But overall, I think the hardtop wing looks great, and I'm pretty excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short, but I hope it was informational, guys. I'll show you the tape that I used. Stuff's pretty great so far, at least. We'll see if it holds on. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you in the next one.